Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create an amazing morph effect in After Effects. To begin, start by creating a shape. Let's make a sphere first. Remember, ensure no layer is selected when creating a new shape. If a layer is selected, the new shape will be added to the same layer. Now, create a second shape. This time, let's make a star. Again, ensure no layer is selected. Finally, create another shape, a polygon, for this example. With all the shapes ready, let's move on to creating the morph effect. Go to the search panel and type path. You'll notice that it doesn't create a separate path for the shape layer by default. To fix this, locate where it says Polystar Path 1 or Rectangle Path 1 under each shape layer. Right-click on these and select Convert to Bezier Path. Do this for all three shape layers. When you search for path again in the search panel, you'll see separate paths for each layer. Click on the stopwatch next to the path property for each shape layer to create keyframes. Move the playhead forward by about 20 frames. Press U on the timeline to clean up the workspace, so you can focus only on the keyframes. Now let's copy and paste the paths to create the morph effect. Select the path of the second shape layer and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then, select the path of the first shape layer and paste the copied path using Ctrl+V. Move the playhead forward another 20 frames, then copy the path from the third shape layer and paste it onto the first shape layer's path. At this point, turn off the visibility of the second and third layers. When you preview, you'll see your morph effect taking shape. To smoothen the animation, select all the keyframes, right-click, and choose Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease, or press F9. Open the graph editor to refine the motion curves for a smoother look. For a finishing touch, you can apply effects like glow or add color changes to enhance the morphing animation. And that's it. Your morph effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.